what can you do to accumulate your 4,000 watch hours without getting caught up in various shortcuts that can harm your channel long term or short term. So first of all, you have to be clear on your niche. You have to be clear on the type of videos that you want to start creating, and then optimize your channel accordingly. This is important. And then after that, you want to focus on creating long form video. Remember, if you are creating shorts might be giving you a lot of views and subscribers, but the views you get from your shorts does not count towards the 4,000 watch hours. If you want to focus on monetizing your channel with shorts, that means you have to have 10 million views in the space of 90 days. And we know that for majority of us, that's almost like impossible, and it might take you a longer while. So this is why everybody is focused on 4,000 watch hours, which you can only get from your long form video and live streaming. So once you are clear on your niche and you start creating your videos, you want to make sure that you are creating minimum length of 8 minutes long videos. Don't start creating long form videos that are just 2 minutes long or 1 minute long or 3 minutes long. So imagine a situation whereby one of those 3 minutes long video goes viral. You will not be able to gather that 4,000 watch hours still, because why? The video is just too short. So if you want to increase your chances of getting your 4,000 watch hours, make sure that you are uploading consistently long form content that is at least 8 minutes long, because from that 8 minutes long video, you will be able to get enough watch hours. Let's say somebody watched for 5 minutes, for 3 minutes, okay? So it gives you a better chances of getting your 4,000 watch hours compared to if you are just uploading videos that are just 2 or 3 minutes long. Even if you have thousands of views on that video, it will be very hard for you to get a reasonable amount of watch hour. So for your videos, you want to make sure that you are creating valuable content. Make sure your video is answering a question or solving a problem or bringing a particular value to a specific audience. You have to be very strategic when it comes to your videos and what you are doing on YouTube, okay? So you cannot afford to just randomly upload videos and not actually know who your audience are. Understanding your audience and what your audience needs will help you to build your watch hour faster. And then you want to make sure your videos are well optimized as well. Optimizing your channel is one thing, and making sure that your video is also optimized is also another thing, because you want your videos to get to the right audience. Make sure your description, your title, your tags are, SEO optimized. That means search engine optimized, okay? In a way that when somebody searches for related topics or exact topic, your video should be able to pop up, okay? Make sure you are optimizing your videos to be searchable on YouTube and also external sites, because if your videos can show up during search, it also increases the rate in which people watches your video. The second thing you should be doing that will also help you boost your watch hours is to make sure that you have created a playlist. Is something that you can easily use as cards or end screen on your videos, okay? When you add playlist as cards, or you can even add a particular list that is related to a specific video you just did, a specific topic you just did, you can even add a particular playlist in your description box and then direct your viewers to go and check out that playlist. So this single act will keep your viewers on your channel, will keep them binge watching. And binge watching will also increase your views, which in turn translates to your watch hours. So this is one of the ways you can also boost your watch hours. Now, in this video, we are focusing on the key things you ought to be doing to get your 4,000 watch hours, not considering any form of shortcut at all, okay? What YouTube expects from you as a creator to be doing to boost your 4,000 watch hours. So another thing that you have to focus on is your view retention. So if your video retention is good, it simply means that people are going to finish watching your video, or they will watch at least half of the length of your video. So how do you ensure that your retention is good? So your hooks have to be good. You have to have a good thumbnail, a good title, because guess what? If somebody start watching your video and they click off in the first 10 seconds, it's not going to even count as view at all. So it's going to affect your views. It's going to lead to low CTR, and eventually YouTube might stop recommending that particular video because they are getting the vibe that people don't really like this video, or they don't want to watch this video, or this video is not good enough, or anything. Okay, so it is important that the first 30 seconds of your videos are hooking, engaging, and keep people on that particular video for them to watch at least 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even watch the whole thing. So that's very important. That's another way you can build your 4,000 watch hours, because the more your retention is high on your video, that also translates to people watching your video longer, which translates to watch hour. Okay, you want to also focus on contents that are evergreen. Evergreen topics goes into topics that people will always come back to, topics that people always need. Okay, for example, when you create a video on how to do something, there is somebody out there that is always looking for how to do that particular thing that you showed, a tutorial. Okay, answering a specific question that people can benefit from. So evergreen content is another way to boost your watch hours, because guess what? Evergreen videos will give you views daily. If you are very seasoned on YouTube, you will understand that there are some videos, they stop getting views after a period of time. They stop getting views completely. Okay, maybe because that topic is no longer trending, or maybe for whatever reason. While there are some videos, they always give you views every day. So you want to focus on such content that will always bring views to your channel. I know it's difficult, but with time, with enough experience, you will be able to figure out what these topics are in your niche. Okay, and another very effective way to boost your watch hours that some of us creators look down upon is live streaming. I can't emphasize enough that live streaming is one of the major strategy that will help you boost your 4,000 watch hours. I understand that there are people who are camera shy, they don't want to come live on YouTube to be live streaming, but this is why we have different software. We have different streaming software. In my case, I use Restream a lot. I use Restream. So streaming software is one of the ways you can easily stream video. So there is no excuse, whether you are a faceless channel or not a faceless channel, you can still do live streaming regularly on your channel. So I know that the challenge right now some of us creators are having is that, oh, you are streaming, nobody is watching your live stream, so you try a few times and then you give up. You have to understand that it is consistency that will give you that result you are looking for. And by the way, if you have a subscriber count of like 100, 500, under 1,000 subscribers, and you are expecting to be getting thousands of views on your live stream, that's not a realistic expectation. You have to start from somewhere, and you have to understand, in order for you to have a lot of views on your live stream, you need a community, you need an audience, and you cannot build an audience if you are not consistent in what you do. So you have to be patient with yourself. Even if you are doing your live streaming for the 10th time and the views are still not encouraging, I encourage you to continue. Don't give up, because it is that consistency that will give you the results you are looking for. You might stream for 50 times and it's just like 3 people watching, but one day you will stream and then you will see that there are hundreds of people watching your stream. So it's all about consistency. Don't try a few times and then you give up, because by the time you give up and 3 weeks later you are coming to continue, it's like starting from zero again. So once you start live streaming, keep it up, don't pause. Have a schedule when you do your live streams and keep consistent with it, because if you stay consistent with your live streaming, the YouTube's algorithm is going to take note of it, and then in time they will start noticing you and start pushing your live stream video. And then you make sure you also optimize your live stream as well, because I noticed some creators, they just go live no title, no description, no nothing. Just because it's live stream does not mean that you don't have to optimize it and make it the way it should be. Add a title, tell us what your live stream is about, add a description, add a call to action, make sure your tag, your hashtags are intact, optimize it. And if you are lucky, one viral video can just give you all the things you need to get monetized. So don't look down on live streaming and don't give up just because your first few streams did not give you the results you are looking for. And if you must engage in this new trend of green screen, video live streaming, and all that, I have a video on that, how you can do it effectively and avoid potential risk that could come with it if not done correctly. If you gain something from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment on it and share. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think, and have you tried out any shortcut lately that really taught you a hard lesson? Let's interact in the comment section and learn from each other. And remember, there is no magic button that will give you 4,000 watch hours, or there is no magic button that will push you to monetization. It's all about hard work, consistency, staying focused, and disciplined. That's the only way you can get there. You cannot get there if you quit. If you cannot get there, if you keep implementing different shortcuts that will harm your channel and even cause you to start from zero. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, bye bye for now.